KAMSIN KT50 nail pruner. Equipped with a safety lock to reduce accidents. Rubber nose leaf grip. Decided based on the user's safety, efficiency, and sense of use. It's easy to use. Connect the air compressor and adjust to the appropriate air pressure. Turn on the safety lock, pull the trigger, and start working. It can be used to remove nails in a length of 3 to 6 mm. The nose in the nose is easy to aim the nails. Utilize the air power to push out nails without surface damage. Wide range of applications to meet diverse needs. KAMSIN made your job easier.